I'm about to teach you exactly how to ruin your Akhirah, so pay attention and do the opposite. Step 1 to ruining your Akhirah. Follow every desire you feel. Eat it, chase it, binge it, swipe it. You may call it normal, but Allah calls it taking your desires as your God. Do this and you're basically worshiping your own whims. Next, follow what worldly people tell you. Blend in, don't stand out. Allah didn't just advise against this, He said you will certainly go astray. Not maybe, certainly. What should you desire? Wealth, possessions, status, relationships? Allah tells us these pleasures are temporary. But go ahead, chase them like life depends on it. Meanwhile, the real eternal reward is waiting with Allah. But that's boring, right? Take shortcuts, lie a little, cheat when convenient. Sure, it's easier now. But the faithful who stay trustful and honest will receive ultimate triumph from Allah. Ignore your health. Throw away your free time. The Prophet warned, many people are deceived about these blessings. Once gone, they can never be reclaimed. Now sit back and watch regret arrive. On the Day of Judgment, Allah will judge perfectly. No excuses, no unfairness. Only the harsh realization, I wish I had done differently. Here's the twist. Allah is most merciful. Good deeds are multiplied tenfold. Bad deeds count only once. If you've been walking the wrong road, turn around. You're not late, just don't keep going the wrong way.